Is your 4th-gen 4Runner's alarm going off randomly? It's a common issue, often linked to the hatch glass switch, hood switch, or key fob. First, understand the core components. The hatch glass switch detects opening, the hood switch activates when the hood is open, and the key fob is used for locking and unlocking. Start by isolating the issue. Use a multimeter to test the hatch glass and hood switches for continuity. Resistance should be near 0 ohms when closed. Rule out the key fob by checking or replacing the battery or attempting reprogramming. Remove the battery, hold lock-unlock for 30 seconds, then resync with the vehicle. Focus on switch failure as the primary suspect, followed by key fob issues. Once you've identified the likely culprit, attempt a reset. For the key fob, reprogram it following your owner's manual or online guides. For the hood or hatch switch, try disconnecting the BCM fuse located under the dash for about 10 minutes to reset the system. If a switch is faulty, consider replacing it. Aftermarket waterproofed switches are available, significantly reducing failures related to moisture. Remember to disconnect the battery before working on any electrical components to avoid shorts. If resetting doesn't solve the issue, physically replacing the faulty switch is often necessary. If all else fails, a visit to a mechanic might be needed to check the body control module.